down all the years, down all the days, and I cried for all your troubles. Smile at your funny little ways. We watched our friends grown up together, and we saw them how they fell. Some of them fell into heaven, some of them fell into hell. I took shelter from a shower, and I strapped him to your arms. On a rainy night in Soho, the wind was whistling all its charms. I sang you all my sorrows, and you told me all your joys. Whatever happened to that old song, to all those little girls and boys? Sometimes I wake up in the morning, that ginger lady by my bed, covered in the cloak of silence. I hear you talking in my head. I'm not singing for the future, I'm not dreaming of the past. I never talk about the first time, I never think about the last. Now the song is nearly over, we may never find out what it means. There's a light I hold before me, you're the measure of my dreams, the measure of my dreams.